Right, here's question 58, the good old VLOOKUP. Add functions in column M to display the name blah 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 of the manager, blah blah blah, using the data. Okay, what are they actually asking? Let's go and have a look at our worksheet. There's our previous question. They're saying, right, if you can work in the sales division, the admin division, or marketing, logistics, in which case you've got a manager. The managers of the various divisions are stored in this table, so there's the manager, is there, the manager of logistics is there, etc. So what we want to do is we want to use, if we go back to our data, we want to use this division to go and look up who the manager actually is of that division. So we use VLOOKUP. So equals VLOOKUP and open our round brackets. The first thing I want to do is what value do I want to look up? I want to look up sales. I want to look up sales in that table, comma. Where do I want to look it up? Where do I want to look it up? That's my next question. Okay, where do I want to look it up? I want to go and look it up in this table over here. There we go, there. And in this table here. Why is this thing not moving? There we go. In this table there, comma, which column do I want my answer to come from? I want it to come from the second column. So right there and there, I close my brackets, and there we go. Got our manager in there, which is a lot of fun. Okay, that seems to be working, but when we copy it down, things start going weird. Remember my tip from earlier? When you've got a formula that seems to be working and you copy it down 10 to 1, absolute values need to be used somewhere. Right, let's go back and have a look at that. What is causing the problem here? Okay, well, the first formula we're looking at A2 to A6, that's perfect, but in the second one it will have changed, which we don't want it to do. We must always look up in the same place, so we need to go back here and make the A2, the whole reference, absolute. So $A, $2, and the second cell reference there to indicate the end of the table, also make it absolute, so it's always looking up in the same table, and I can copy it down, and boom, there we go. You can see sales, Devanian Govindasamy is the manager, so it looks like everything's working. And so we've got this terrible looking formula, but all it's saying is go and look up sales in this table over here and get my answer from the second column. Okay, don't get put off by the answer, it's easy peasy. Right, let's rock and roll.